Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming your phone supports eSIM. This matters because not all Samsung models include it. Once confirmed, make sure you have the carrier QR or activation details and a stable Wi-Fi connection. This avoids activation timeouts. Now open Settings and go to Connections. Tap SIM Card Manager to start. You do this first to let the phone detect eSIM provisioning, so the next steps complete without network interruptions or repeated carrier calls. You tap Add Mobile Plan, then choose Scan Carrier QR code or enter code manually. This tells the phone where to fetch the eSIM profile. Once scanned, allow the system to download and install the profile. This can take a minute. After installation, you assign a label like Work or Personal and set which line handles data and calls. Make sure to confirm the plan and restart if prompted, because some carriers require a reboot to finalize network registration. You finish by restarting the phone and verifying the new line shows carrier name and signal bars, then place a test call and use mobile data to confirm. If activation fails, rescan the QR or open the carrier app to retry. Sometimes toggling the eSIM profile off and on clears provisioning errors. If problems persist, contact the carrier with your IMEI and activation code. They can push the profile again or troubleshoot network-side blocks so you're fully connected.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.